Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 9, Computer Science, 10th class. Students, we are studying unit number 2, in which we are going to study basic commands in last lectures. Some of the basic commands we have studied in last lecture, which one is auto command, used for auto numbering, clear command to clear all the values stored in any variable that can be numeric value or that can be string value. CLS command that is used to clear the screen, delete command to delete the different lines or commands, edit command to edit any line number. Today we are going to continue from where we have stopped our last lecture, which means we are going to study the next basic commands. Let's start our today's lecture. So students, the next command number 6, which is basic command, is files command. This command is used to list the name of all files residing on the specific drive. Syntax: files path name. Interpretation: path name is the optional parameter which is omitted. The command lists all files in the current directory of the selective drive. Wildcard such as asterisk and question mark can also be used in path name. Question mark is used to match any character in the file name or extension, and asterisk is used for any file name or extension. How we are going to use asterisk and question mark? Here are some examples. Look, if you type just files and press enter key, it will list all the files that are in current directory. Then if you type files, then double quotation in asterisk.doc, it will list all the files with extension doc. Okay, if you type files double quotation d colon asterisk.asterisk and then double quotation and press enter, it will list all the files that are in drive D with any extension. If you type files double quotation mark question mark dot xls, it will list all the files that have first three character MAR and extension XLS. The extension is XLS, whose name consists of 4 characters. First three characters of their name are MAR and the fourth character could be any. Here are the examples. File G stereo, it shows these files. Okay, file, it shows this one, all the file names. Okay, and then the type this one, it shows the clear things to you. Next one is kill command. As you can see the word kill, this command is used to remove or delete a file from the disk. Syntax: kill file name. Kill command is used to delete all type of files. How this will work? It will kill inventory.bash, delete the file inventory.bash in the current directory. It means that if in general in Windows you do the process of deleting a folder or file by typing by using the delete function, but in GW basic, to use that function to delete any file, you have to use the kill command. Kill double quotation g colon / goods / inventory dot asterisk. It will delete all the file that has inventory name and with any extension. Be careful while using kill command. Always specify the file names extension when using the kill command. You may lose your data accidentally while using this command. You have to be well aware of what you are trying to delete. If you are not, then you will lose your important data. Next is list command. This command is used to display a loaded program partially or completely on the screen. Syntax: list line number 1 to line number comma file name. Line number go on to comma file name. In the above sentence, all parameters are optional, which if omitted, the command lists the last entered program. Line number is a valid line number within the range of 0 to 65,529. If file name is not specified with the list command, the specified lines of the last typed or loaded program are listed. List example: list lists all lines in the program. List 220 lists line the program up to the line number 20. List 10 to 20 lists line number from 10 through 20. List 20 to so on list lines 20 through the end of the program. These are different working of the list command with different optional works. Next one is load command. This command loads a file from disk to memory. Syntax load file name, comma R. File name is the name of the file to be loaded. If the R option is used with load command, the program runs after it is loaded. It will load. If you use R word with it, R character, it will first load it, then after loading it will execute it. In example, you can see load double question d colon / fact dot bash double question close. Load the file name fact dot bash from D drive. It will just load it. But if you type comma R after it, it will load and execute the file fact.bash from D drive. Next is mkdir command. It is the you can say it to use. This command is used to create a subdirectory, make directory. You can remember it by make directory. Sentence make directory path name. Interpretation path name identifies the location where the subdirectory is created. It is string expression that should not exceed 63 characters. Example make directory d colon / goods / inventory creates the subdirectory inventory within the directory of goods. The next command is name command. This command is used to rename a file. Syntax name old file name as new file name. Interpretation the file will be renamed. The old file name is replaced by the new file name. It means you are going to rename the folder file, and you will join GW basic. You will type name, then name of old file with extension as, then type the new name you want to replace with. Example name double question remarks.doc as rmks.doc. Gives the name rmks .doc to the file remarks.doc. Clear? Next is renum command. This command is used to renumber the program line. Name is used to rename and renum is used to renumber. Syntax renum new number, old number, increment. Interpretation new number is the starting line number in the new sequence. The default is 10. Old number is the line in the current program where readability is to begin. The default is the first line of the program. Increment is the increment to be used in the new sequence. The default is 10. Default increment is 10. The default new sequence is 10. Both are 10. Example renum. Assign new number to the whole program if different starting from line number 10 with the default increment of 10. Renum 80 30. Assign new number to the whole program starting from the line number 80 with the increment of 30 in line number. Renum 150 70 and 150. Assign new numbers to line from 70 to the end of the program such that the new sequence will start from 150, that is line number 70 will be numbered to 150, and an increment of 50 is made for each next line. Replace 150 with 70 with increment of 50. Next is rmdir command. This command is used to remove or delete a directory from the disk. Syntax remove directory path name. Interpretation the path name is the path of an existing directory which should not exceed 63 characters. The directory to be deleted must be empty, otherwise an error message will be appear. रिमूव डायरेक्टरी डी लास्ट हमने इन्वेंट्री जो इन्वेंट्री के हमने एक डायरेक्टरी बनाई थी उसी को डिलीट कर रहे हैं. डी colon / goods / inventory double question, and then when we press enter it will remove this directory what we have in make. Here We have made this directory here and we have removed this directory here. This is the subdirectory in battery of the directory goods. With this, I hope so that these are enough to understand for you. Let's stop it here and we will study the next basic one in next lecture. So students, in today's basic commands we have studied files command, kill command, list command, load command, make directory command, name command, rename command and remove directory command. With this, our today's lecture has wound up. I hope you are studying your lectures throughout as you have got it. Do not take this unit easy. It is very important. You have to study it along as you have got the lecture day by day. I will meet you in next lecture. Till that next, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.